guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we are on our way to Dallas. I have my mom and sister and Elena with me. We're going for a photo shoot and we're just gonna maybe go eat, maybe shop a little bit and come back and just spend the day. So I'm gonna take you guys along. Amanda's keeping my baby entertained.
Yeah, I need my hair. Give my hair back.
What you doing, Lele?
Itching with her ears.
Uh-oh, watch your earring.
You never pull anybody else's hair.
Oh, she pulls my hair every day. So we are in downtown Dallas right now. My mom's helping me with Elena. And we actually just got out of the car because Amanda's shooting downtown right now. And we decided to just walk around while she shoots, and then my location will do after hers. So it's such a nice day. It feels really good outside. H&M model fell asleep and we didn't get any of the pictures. We did get a couple, but she was literally asleep in my arms. You couldn't see anything that she was wearing, so we're just gonna redo them at home, but that's okay. I'm glad she's finally sleeping, honestly. We just made it to Flower Child and Miss Elena is awake. She fell asleep literally as soon as we got to the place that we were gonna take the picture. I didn't want to like obviously wake her up for that, but that's pretty much the only reason I came to Dallas today, was to take those H&M pictures. So I guess we will just take them at home. I did get some cute shots in this cute dress and another dress I was wearing earlier, but anyways, we are at our favorite place to eat in Dallas. At least it's me and my mom's favorite place. Amanda just comes here because
I like it, I do.
I think she just gets sick of it, but me and my mom could literally never get sick of Flower Child, so we're gonna go in and eat some yummy yummy. We basically had like a little bit of a fiasco. Elena was playing with my wallet, which she shouldn't have been playing with, honestly, but sometimes she just loves playing with my wallet and I just give her whatever makes her happy. Well, she dropped it as we were walking and we didn't walk very far. That's why we knew that someone stole it, because we looked on the ground and it was completely gone. And I called Omar, freaking out, telling him like cancel all of our credit cards and everything like that. And then someone called us and said that they turned it in, thank God. But now all my credit cards are canceled and I can't use anything, so that kind of sucks, but thankfully it's not lost. I was kind of sad because I was gonna have to get a new wallet and I just got that new YSL wallet, which is so cute. So anyways, we're gonna go pick up my wallet. I'm pretty sure we're done shopping though now. I don't know, do you guys want to go?
I'm done.
Shopping?
Your daughter drives me crazy.
Well, we went into Fendi for Amanda and she looked at the bag that she wanted, that she didn't get today, but she wants to get soon. And I wanted to go into Dior just to see what they had, but I can't buy anything anyway, so maybe we'll just go window shop. I don't know. We just got some tea and coffee. Got another mint tea. Elena is happy. It's so hot today, you guys. Oh my gosh. Why is the air not on?
Oh, I turned it down.
Oh, okay. Anyways, I don't know what we're doing next, but I'll update y'all later. Hello, you guys. It is a few days later and I wanted to update y'all since I kind of left you guys hanging in Dallas. I just felt like so many things went wrong that day. I lost my wallet, Elena fell asleep in the most important part of the shoot, and I don't know, I was a little bit stressed that day. So anyways, we have been spending this week just trying to get things ready to go and like get work stuff done because we're leaving for Mexico again tomorrow, which sounds very excessive because I know we just got back from Mexico, but this time we're going with Omar's family and we're renting a house there with them. So we're going to Cancun honeymoon. I think it's gonna be really fun. I'll take you guys along that trip as well. But today I'm just kind of trying to get work stuff done and trying to just pack and just get ready. So we're gonna retake the H&M pictures today. I have an even cuter idea for it, so I'll take you guys along that shoot. And I have some Father's Day gifts to give to Omar. So I'm gonna go ahead and give those to him actually now. I actually forgot to tell you guys what happened to me on, I think it was Monday. So basically I had just finished up work for the day. I was grabbing lunch and I brought it into this room so that I could eat. Omar was editing on the computer and I was gonna eat, and I pulled up my stool to sit at my vanity area, and whenever I did that, I like pulled it with my foot. It got caught under the stool and the little metal ring on the bottom of my stool, it sliced the top of my foot. I had to go get stitches, you guys. I've never gotten stitches in my entire life, and yeah, it thankfully didn't hurt that bad. It just like wouldn't stop bleeding and it wouldn't like close up all the way, so it just would have healed much better if I got stitches. So yeah, this has just been like a really crazy hectic week. That's why I haven't vlogged much. Just wanted to let you guys know we said goodbye to our coffee table. It's in this corner over here and I don't know exactly what we're gonna do with it. If we're gonna put it in the attic, which we have absolutely no space in our attic. Right now it's our little package drop-off area. So that's great. But let me get your gifts because I have some Father's Day gifts for you.
For me?
Yes, it's your first Father's Day.
My first Father's Day. It's so weird.
Isn't it? Oh my
Yeah.
god. Okay, I have your gift. Are you ready?
What is that? Oh my gosh. That's awesome.
Okay, it's not your gift. This is the prop for the pictures tonight.
Oh.
Isn't that awesome though? There's a leaf
Wow.
blower.
That's so many. This is like overkill. We're gonna have bubbles everywhere.
Okay, let me get your actual gift.
Alright. Ooh, okay.
I didn't wrap them or anything,
I
but
don't care.
so Omar
AirPods.
has been complaining to me nonstop about how his AirPods are like
They're destroyed.
trash, so-
They're destroyed. I've only had them for like a couple years, like the original ones, but I have destroyed them.
So I got him the
AirPods
noise
Pro.
Yeah, the Pro, the noise canceling ones. I have those. I could kind of care less about the noise cancellation, but I asked Omar.
Yeah.
He kind of knew about the AirPods.
I just
did
feel
ask
like
him.
these would. The other ones kind of bothered my ears too.
Yeah. Plus,
so
he said they kind of fell out a little bit.
they do fall out constantly, so
So hopefully these will fit a
I
little
feel
bit
like
better.
these will work a little bit better. Thank you.
Okay, this one.
Then this right here, that's what I'm
This one.
excited for.
This is a gift for me too.
Oh man.
This is a massage gun. I have seen so many people talk about these. Oh well, and my family has one.
Your family,
My dad.
is this the
uses
same one they have, or?
You know, it's probably
There's
not.
probably like 100
There's
different
so many
kinds.
ones to choose from. I just got one that looked like it had good reviews and stuff.
Oh man, yeah. My legs, from all the running.
I figured it'd be kind of like, I don't know. Like
And
we could
my
both
back.
use it.
Yeah, we could use this. This is awesome. Oh, look, it has like so many different attachments.
Let me see what the attachments look like though.
There's a ton of them.
Okay, this is the one that my family uses. It's like a big ball.
Yeah. Yeah, that's.
Good one.
Does it just pop in there?
Or not. Okay, does it need
Oh, yeah.
batteries or anything?
You probably have to charge it, I'm sure.
Oh shoot, I wanted a massage.
It's supposed to be my gift.
I know.
That's okay. Let's see. Here, I turned it on. Oh yeah, look. Ooh. Oh.
Oh, okay, here.
Let's see. Let me just try it. Oh yeah. Turn it up.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that was only on level 2.
Yeah.
Oh. This is level 5.
That's nice. We could literally just sit here after Elena goes
Yeah,
to sleep.
after Linda goes to sleep, we can just sit
Massage
and
each other.
watch our show and then just sit like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
That
My
is
hand
nice.
won't hurt.
I love it.
I'm glad you like it.
Thank you.
You're welcome,
It's a
babe.
gift for both of us.
You're welcome, babes.
Thank you. I feel bad because my gifts were not that good.
No, you gave me good gifts. What did you gave me gifts for something before Mother's Day.
It was like our anniversary.
anniversary.
And yeah.
Yeah. For Mother's Day, he got me a really pretty bouquet of flowers.
Yeah.
I haven't given you good gifts in a while, so
Oh, I appreciate this. I'm gonna get so much use out of both of these things. Like,
Oh, I actually got you a few more things. I got him top-ups of his cologne.
oh yeah.
Macy's was having a sale on like pretty much so many things, so I got you like your favorite colognes.
Thank you. Keeping me smelling fresh.
I don't know if I think that might have been it.
That's plenty. Thank you, thank you.
We are currently pretty much almost finished packing for Mexico, and we are trying to pick out Omar's outfits.
Yay!
We're gonna be there for 3 full days.
Yeah.
We're coming back early. We were gonna stay one more, but Amazon Prime Day is on Monday, and we gotta be back.
Back to work. Luna got me these nice new clothes.
They're super cute from H&M.
This is a white pinstripe shirt, so.
I liked it because it doesn't have a collar.
Oh
So I like that style.
Yeah.
And I thought you could like
I've never
roll
had
up the
anything like
sleeves.
that. Yeah, exactly.
Roll
It's
up
gonna
the
be
sleeves.
warm. Yeah, there's that.
Oh,
And
I'm gonna
then
put Elena down. Oh.
I have just a regular white shirt.
Okay, so I really love the look of the shorts with the rolled up sleeves. I just love that look together. Elena! Mama! Where are you going? Hey! Hey, girl!
Come here.
Get back here, girl.
Full swing.
Whoa! She's on the move. Just to give you guys a little sneak preview of what I'm bringing. Since we're gonna be there for 3 days, I brought 4 dresses just in case I need to take like an extra picture or something. So I have this long sleeve black maxi dress, which I know like who am I, but I'm bringing that. I have a cream jumpsuit with a white linen shirt that I'm gonna wear on top, and I'm gonna tie it like in the front. And then I have this blue maxi dress from ASOS I shared in my last vlog. And then I have this olive green one that I got from Hijab House a long time ago, but it's really cute. The other thing that I'm so excited about is, you guys, I think I found the perfect swim hijab from a brand called Stay Sorel. So I'll link it below, but it's a really nice material that you can just create your own regular hijab style, and I'm so excited. I've never been able to find good quality, so I'm bringing that with my Lanuque swimsuit.
Lena hates the shirt, but I love it. It's my vacation shirt.
Omar, what?
Yes,
Why?
because I didn't get to wear it the last time.
You guys, this shirt. Please let us know in the comments if you think this Omar should wear this shirt.
I am wearing this shirt.
I vote no. It's just one of those like cheesy like vacation shirts.
I know, but it's like, you know, I don't care. I'm on vacation.
We are on our way to do the last thing that we had to do before we leave for this trip, and that's take these H&M pictures. We had to go back and get the bubble gun, so we forgot that. But
Most important prop.
I know, most important thing, but I think these are gonna be so cute. I'll put a little picture of my inspo on screen.
Okay.
Oh, this is so pretty.
What you doing, Miss girl?
We're able to get her to smile.
Elena.
Okay, that's okay.
Elena.
Elena, what you doing?
Are you
Did we get any
standing?
good ones on there?
Are you standing? Are you standing?
Oh my goodness. Oh.
Elena.
This one spilled bubbles all down my shirt. But she's the star anyways, so that's okay.